Why is it so critical and important for your DCF lawyer or attorney to explain to you step by step what's happening during your DCF investigation in Massachusetts? And the reason it's so important for your attorney or lawyer to explain to you step by step the process, the procedure, and the protocols being utilized by DCF during their investigation in Massachusetts is so that you can understand, so that you can be a partner with the lawyer, so that you can think of things too. Your lawyer should tap into you, should tap into your thoughts. What happened? When it happened? Why did it happen? How did it happen? Where did this go wrong? Where did this go right? What happened here that's really positive? What's happened here that's really negative? Why did you do this? Why didn't you do that? You need open lines of communication. You need to get the facts down and master the facts. You need to get the law down and master the law. And you also got to have a clinical side to the case, which is where DCF comes in. When you're a client and you're confused and you're lost and you're overwhelmed, you're no help to yourself, let alone a lawyer. So the lawyer's got to break it down and break it down and break it down and break it down and break it down to make it understandable so that you can be a participant in the investigation, because your information and what you know your lawyer doesn't know. And you need to have your lawyer tap into that to make things real positive happen. And the end result being that your voice and your children's voice is heard over all the noise. If you fail to have proper communication, it doesn't matter what kind of relationship it is, whether it's with you with your grandparents, you with your parents, you with your siblings, you with your cousin, aunts, uncles, your boss, your significant other, you're playing a team or you're a cheerleader or whatever you may be, failure to communicate is a cardinal sin. And so doing a flat or a fixed rate opens up that communication, doesn't stifle it. Okay? Giving the personal cell phones, you can call days, nights, weekends, and holidays, opens up that communication, doesn't stifle it. Having a lawyer that you feel comfortable speaking to doesn't stifle the communication, it opens it up. Because you're going to feel comfortable speaking to that lawyer despite the fact it may be facts that are very uncomfortable. Let's be honest and forthright with each other. The lawyer is a complete stranger to you. And then you got to go with your dirty laundry and air it out in public and talk to a lawyer about your dirty laundry. That is not a lot of fun. But any decent, honorable lawyer will understand and have empathy and sympathy for your plight and welcome you and listen to what you have to say and break it down and not make you feel like you're Stu and your last name is Pitters and stupid for what you did, but rather give you an ear to listen and then work with you, because you have incredible information as a client that needs to be shared, but more importantly heard, and then explained to who? DCF. So that DCF gets it, because that's the ultimate resource that's going to hear and declare whether you have a supported decision or not. It's going to be DCF. So you've got to put that in a formula, in a plan, in a strategy that DCF's going to understand that you're not doing anything but being honest and credible with DCF. That you didn't do this allegation of sexual abuse or physical abuse or neglect. That you're shooting straight with DCF. That you are a good parent, you love your children, and it's abundantly clear the facts are A, B, and C, and not what's being alleged X, Y, and Z. And that you should be found to be credible. And the allegations are baseless and false. But you need that relationship. You need to be able to communicate with your lawyer and have a give and an ability to speak, an ability to have a give and a take, so that everything gets out.